Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today it's 6:50. My alarm was set for 7:30 in the morning, but because it's 6:50 and my alarm's literally in like 40 minutes, there's no point falling back asleep because I will literally not get up. And I have uni all day, so I need to be up and at 'em, you know? So just putting a little notice in now. A few weeks ago I shot some studio clips of me in the photography studio doing some product photography. I'm going to insert those clips at the beginning of the vlog and then the vlog will continue, just to let you know that is a bit of a jump from a different scenery. That's what that is. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this uni vlog because I know a lot of you do like my uni vlogs and are curious what I do at uni. So yeah, today's another big one.
Aha! How's that? But also I like to just wing things, so if I stick to a specific thing I
well, yeah, you know that anything can change.
Filmed uni last Friday.
Good picture of this. Okay. Do you want to hold the other one?
Good to know, and then I can make sure everything around you know.
Thank you. Alright.
Look at the PowerPoint.
Alright.
Lovely, lovely job. Oh.
Does this need to be lower? Do you think it needs to be lower? Scary, you know? This is the front. This is my outfit for uni. I have a grey jumper on, like charcoal grey, which is New York City on it, and I've got these like really loose charcoal grey trousers on, which are really comfy, a black underlayer, and my jewellery. Oh, and my necklace, which is hiding. So this is today's outfit.
For a collected man, watch company in London. I suppose most of my work is because you spend hours in the car together as well. You know.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
No.
Doors closing.
Sorry, Megan, I love you.
Kayleigh. Hello everyone, and welcome to the vlog. I mean, welcome back to the vlog. I'm back home now. Just to show you a few purchases I got from TK Maxx and a toy shop. I also got a big bowl of Cheerios here to eat, so I'm gonna make this fast so they don't go soft. Always wanted one of these and I saw it in TK Maxx. Obviously I got Christmas present stuff in there now, so I bought one, so I'm gonna try it out later. And I saw this and I could not resist. If you know me, I like Winnie the Pooh. As you can see, I've got a Winnie the Pooh everything, Winnie the Pooh blankets, Winnie the Pooh mugs, which I don't use, that I keep makeup brushes in because that's too pretty to use as a mug. I bought this, I saw it, I couldn't resist. It's a nightlight, not a nightlight, it's just a lamp, a Winnie the Pooh lamp. Oh, I am, honestly, I can't wait. I'm gonna have to open it right this second. I can see Winnie's head. He's stuck in there. How do I get him out? Just rip the box by accident. I'm trying to rip like this layer where his head's suffocated in there. There must have been an easier way. Oh my god, am I a child? Yes. I've always wanted to collect mini brands. So to start my collection off, I have bought some. And if you're curious, this is series 4. Don't really know what that means, but yeah, I'm very excited to see what's in these. So I'm gonna open this now because I can't wait any longer and I want to know what mini brand I have. The lighting is so bad. I wonder if I can fix it. They used to open up like a weird thing, but now they're all in packets. Oh, I wanted it for the experience. No, but that's so annoying. They're in oh, fine. Got some Fruitella summer fruits and it's like squidgy. How cute is that? Campbell's chunky beef with country vegetables soup can here. The detail is insane. Like, look at the detail. It's like all over the can. That is so cool. Literally a child right now, but you know what? Got a can of lemon and lime Sprite 0 sugar. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Pringles. Beef Swanson beef broth.
That is so cool. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with miniature items, so I don't know why I have never got this stuff before. And just to show you the other ones I got some tomato, garlic and onion sauce, chicken noodle soup. I got some shaving cream, Tabasco, and Fruit Loops. So I've just been on FaceTime to my best friend for a little bit. The sunset lamp I bought from TK Maxx, I tested it out on there and it's awful cheap quality. I'm going to return that to TK Maxx next week. So cute! It's going to be on my bedside table tonight, and look how cute that is. I've got to put it in front of my face because otherwise it will focus on my face. I love it so much. And I'm about to go take a nap because I'm so exhausted. And I feel like that's exactly what I need right now. So I'm gonna go take a nap and then yeah, depending on how long this vlog is, if it's short I will include some clips of when I went to Ipswich like 3 or 4 weeks ago. Probably 3 weeks ago now.
No, interesting, but Andrew.
Down a bit. Okay, we got there. My arm's broken.
I think he is looking a bit broken, babes.
Thanks for watching this vlog, guys. I'm gonna go nap and watch Netflix and chill for the night, and then tomorrow, which is Saturday the 11th, I'm just gonna do uni work because I've got so much to do before my birthday in a few weeks, which is also the due date for my dissertation and all this uni work. So I'm gonna go and relax and get my energy up so I can do this. So love you guys and thank you guys for watching this video.